Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm having much lag, so please don't mind that. But anyways, in today's video, I discovered something, and I wanted to share it with you. And I keep going to parties, and I have no clue why. But if you do go to games up here, and if it'll actually let me go on it, because it will not load. There we go. This game is new from what I've heard. It's called Fast Foodies. I've never played it, to be honest. I kind of want to see. Probably have to make food for customers very fast, somewhat in that range, because that's just what I think right now. So when this loads, please load quicker. So yeah, we can pick two places to make food. Serapia Theater is closed because we have to level up or something. Oh, there is multiple levels until we can actually get to Serapia Forest. Alrighty. So let's play this. Hopefully my lag won't affect the game. How to play. Alright. So you have to drag it. Okay, I need to make a lot of gems. Okay, we got our first customer dressed. So we gotta get them an orange. Okay, the same customer is back again. Or no. You have 30 seconds to get it. Uh, okay, well, I mean, it's kind of hard because I have lag right now. Righty. Here's a drink for moi. Oh, he wants a kiwi one. Alrighty. Okay, I'm having a bit lag, so I can't really do this. So I'm gonna leave. But you basically get it. I mean, there's definitely other games out there like it. But you know. Oh, and it brings me back to the main tab. Alrighty. Um, Trade me summer mohawks. Oh, I got those. I do. Trade me summer mohawks. Let's see what you have on trade in the first place. Like, whenever someone asks for something, it's like they have nothing that is actually worth it on trade. I mean, depending on, like, who it is. Like, XX Black Spikes. Okay. I guarantee this person doesn't have a spike, but yeah. Well, even though I have much lag and going to the most populated land will be, kind of hard. No, more lag. I'm still gonna go, cause why not? YOLO. I know. Very weird. Alrighty. I've said like 50 times. Trade me shark couch will accept. Ooh, only if like it was a long on there. I mean, they're probably really rare depending on what it is. Oops. Okay, I did not want to do that. Animal Jam Shark Couch. Not sure if this bring up pictures. I mean, it probably will, to be honest. I'm gonna try to plug my laptop in so I can hopefully get some more connection or normally it helps a lot. Or maybe I just have to reload. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so apparently this is what a shark couch looks like right here. Don't know where you could get one, but I know you can get one because you can. Yeah, I'm still having lag, but not as bad. I mean, what can I do about it? Not really anything. So this is take 2. Okay, this does not seem like Alden, but this can't be Alden. Yet it is. Alright, I don't see why. Or how. Like, there's nothing good. I guess it's more people type Alden and they'll get more things, but so yeah, a few popular jammers are here, like Good Reader 70. Ooh. A lot of drum beaters, a lot of spikes. I'm gonna see if I can try a long yellow for that. And I'll see if she accepts. No. A good long and a good party hat for her party hat. Honey, no. Or so let's try Fluffy Ninja 10. Who is for some reason dressed like Pepper. Let's try to get this spike right here. So I put in the trade request, they declined. I mean, I can try trading for more, I guess. I don't see how it would technically benefit, but. Ooh, okay. This is gonna be an undertrade, and I kind of know that. Like, what if he accepts? Who knows? It's with like a really bad long or something. Not even a bad long. Like a short collar. Trolling will get banned. Trolling will get banned. Alright, I'll troll. To be honest, I really don't know how to troll. Someone told me I've trolled, and it was a total accident. Yeah, well, this has been a very awkward video, because personally, if I have lag, there's no point to the video, but I will be uploading it for the fact I haven't uploaded in a very long while, and basically everything I upload is about trading, so it's finally something somewhat different. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and peace.